Go smooth, McLeod. No, I'm going to put the camera away now. I jinxed him. Made him fall.
Yeah, I think that's what it is, Sean. I think it's the ice.
Like there's,
A lot of crashes on that side. But I think you might have hit his skate. I couldn't see from over there, but...
I got all tangled up.
Just run it out. You were mixing it up with those guys. You were just ready to take the lead there.
Great job. That was an excellent race, considering who you're racing against.
All Group 9 guys. I mean, holy cow.
That's fun.
that pass, I didn't stop fast. There was tight there, buddy.
Next race, Cullen. Next race.